The purpose of this video is to show you how to manage the information on your chapter page. First step is to make sure that you're logged in. You can do that by logging in using the login button at the top of the website, using your username and password, and then this will direct you to the member dashboard. From the member dashboard, we're going to take a look at the meetings calendar, which you can get to from the view calendar at the top of the page. Okay, now this is the calendar of just the monthly meetings. What you want to do here is find your chapter page and click on it. Now the information here that we're going to be looking at first is the link to our chapter page. So we're going to click on that. It's going to bring us to the chapter page. From here, there's a lot of information. We're going to have the word of the month discussion, the chapter leaders with click-throughs to the profiles, and the chapter members. We also here have monthly meeting details, and this is where we're going to focus. This information right in this area is information that automatically gets populated to the page. So that there will always be the next date. You do not have to enter that anymore. This information here, this area, is the area that you get to enter whatever information that you want. And then of course you have their RSVP and prepay buttons. Okay, so this is again, so I'm going to show you how you can add information to this area, add or edit. Okay, so we're going to go back to the calendar. We can access the calendar from the front of the website under Network and Meetings Calendar. All right, so now we're going to click on the chapter again, and we're going to focus here about editing or deleting. Okay, so let's just close this. Okay, so there are two buttons that we're going to concern ourselves with. There's an Edit All, or there's Edit This Date. Edit All, it will change any information on any future meetings, all of the information. So you only want to do this if you are actually changing your meeting location or you're changing the date for all meetings in the future. For the most part, you're just going to be focusing on editing this date. And this would be for like entering speaker information for a date or if you're having a special event. So we're going to edit this date. It's going to bring up a form. Okay, and the things that you want most, the only thing I think that you really are going to change is the information in this box. Okay, you could change the location, or if the cost for just the specific meeting changes, you can add it here, or above it or below it, wherever you want. You can add whatever information that you want to put in about your meeting. For this purpose, we're going to just add a speaker. Speaker this month. Okay, and whatever information you want, you can put in there. The next part, the short description, just ignore it for now. We may use it in the future, but for now, don't put anything in it. Right now, you can, don't change anything else. You can go to the date and time here. I wouldn't change anything here unless you're actually changing the date or time. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. Once you're done, click Save Event. Okay, and there's a couple of things here. These codes, we're working on getting rid of them. This works, so for now, just ignore them. And we're going to return to the calendar. We're going to click on this meeting again, and we're going to go see how the changes look. And there you have it. Speaker this month, Kathy Filer. So that's how you go ahead and change information on your chapter page. That's it.